Today, we are showing top 5 airless sprayer machine in 2025s. Hi guys, are you looking for the best airless sprayer machine? If you received a new airless sprayer machine, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best airless sprayer machine on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. Viver's 750-watt airless paint sprayer. The airless paint sprayer is a high-performance tool designed for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts who want to achieve smooth, even paint coverage with ease. This airless sprayer is known for its powerful motor options, providing an efficient and consistent spray for a variety of painting tasks, including walls, ceilings, fences, furniture, and more. Number 2. 1800-watt professional high-pressure airless sprayer. The machine operates at a high pressure, providing a fine, even spray that minimizes overspray while maximizing coverage. This feature ensures professional quality results with less waste, making it ideal for large areas like walls, ceilings, fences, and industrial equipment. The sprayer includes an ergonomic handle, reducing strain and fatigue during prolonged use. The lightweight design ensures better maneuverability, allowing for precise control even in tight spaces. Number 3. Professional airless spraying machine. Airless spraying eliminates the need for compressed air, utilizing high-pressure pumps to force paint through a nozzle. This provides a fine, even mist while minimizing overspray. The result is a more controlled application with less paint wastage, delivering professional quality finishes every time. Number 4. 3500-watt airless spray gun. The 3500-watt motor provides impressive power, allowing the sprayer to handle demanding tasks with ease. It ensures smooth and efficient spraying, even with thick paints, primers, and coatings, making it suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Number 5. 800ml cordless electric spray gun. The most standout feature of the 800ml cordless electric spray gun is its cordless operation. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this spray gun provides maximum mobility, allowing users to work freely without being restricted by cords or power outlets. It's perfect for outdoor jobs or hard-to-reach areas.